Right, we're back. So yeah, just looking for some setups. I'm just trying to set things up on YouTube as well. I'm going to be joining a Discord call through the laptop so I can communicate with Brad because he's not going to be going live, which is fine. Things can only get better from here. All these adverts. There we go. Right. Yeah. Right, got another few minutes before the all performs this afternoon, sorry. Just logging into my call with Bradley. I think it's picking up too much background noise with the fan, so I'm going to change that. Yo. Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
You're coming through on the stream as well, I think.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, just had a slight technical hitch. We are up and running. Right, where are we at? Should we start with gold?
You talk to me.
I was just talking in general. Gold's still ranging. Not much going on there. Right, there we are. Start with gold. Oil could be coming to the top. Don't know if I can actually hear you coming through the stream.
Probably not.
I probably need to add a source.
Add some sauce to that dish.
I don't know if I can actually hear you. No, we don't want that. I'm looking for Nassalines to come down at the moment. We're below the EMA and we're coming towards this low here. Looking for Nassalines to come down at the moment. We're below the EMA. I'll keep you on the call. I don't think it's picking it up, so we're gonna have to look into that. But we'll keep or stay on the call. Might as well.
Yeah.
I'll keep you on the call. There's two I'm liking at the moment, which are German 30 and Naz.
You like German 30 all the time.
Yeah.
You love it. So,
Love it.
got no more news for the rest of the day now as well.
That's good.
Naz is tapping into a support. Not 30 seconds before showtime. Let's get some music going.
I called that support nicely as well. I know it's fairly obvious to someone like you, but getting used to knowing where the lows and the highs are.
Yeah.
Takes a little bit of getting used to. Sometimes I look at the chart and think, how far back do I go when I mark out the highs and the lows?
Showtime.
So we're tapping into support. We're coming down even on the daily. Yeah. We just hit that peak. We're coming down. We're coming down on the hour. 15 now wants to break past that support. Just like that, the order's formed. My mic's picking up too much background noise. Is that your music playing in the background?
I'll move it away.
I think it's mine. Yeah, that's cool. Thanks. Being patient. Are you viewing me on YouTube?
No.
Support the man then.
I only had one view from my whole stream, my guy. It was me. Don't worry about that.
I didn't hear you. Right, we're getting a push down now on Naz. Getting some momentum going. So really now with NAS, we want to see a close below that support, right?
Yeah.
Back in a sec. Trying to get as many views as possible. Do I sound clearer to you through the laptop and the mic through Discord?
It was lagging really badly a minute ago. I couldn't even hear you. I had to leave and rejoin.
Oh,
Doesn't seem too bad.
well, right now we're looking for a setup on NAS potentially. About 8 minutes for that candle to close. I'm not seeing anything else. Don't know about you.
Yeah, all of the yen pairs are looking good. EU and GU is looking good.
EU and GU. You mean EJ?
Right.
You mean EJ?
No, I mean EU.
Oh, right. I thought you meant to say Japanese pairs, like EJ instead of E.
Yeah, all of the Japanese pairs and EU and GU.
Okay. We're just waiting for some closes above.
I'm going to put an order limit on UJ.
UJ.
Yeah.
That's looking good for a sell.
Yeah. I think the dollar's really strong at the moment. The yen's a bit weird.
Yeah.
Still going to try. Yeah, I think it's going to drop.
Where are you looking for your entry?
Just there's a fair value gap on the 1 minute just below the midline.
Oh, yeah.
536.
Interesting.
We can get back up there. I don't know if we're just going to retest this low and then go, but who knows? Did you get in on German?
Sorry?
Did you get in on German?
I did not. I was looking at more of a higher entry.
Yeah, fair. It's huge, it's ridiculous. Don't. Come on, it's going to take me. It's going to be a good job.
Let's see if German comes back.
See, man, we're going to the German.
Wait for 3.5 minutes on NAS to close. Be impatient. If we get this closed below, that's another confirmation.
Yeah, you'd want it to break below and then come back and retest it.
Yeah.
Get tapped in. Can we get tapped in? Come on. Tap me in.
Just tap me in.
Oh, come on.
Give me a little tap, tap, tap.
Motherfucker.
Can you hear my computer noise?
Can I hear you what?
Could you hear that alarm just go off on TradingView?
No.
Just checking.
No.
Okay, darling. I missed out on stream this morning by 3 pips on a sell on German 30, and it was like a 3-to-1. Yeah, my entry was like 3 or 4 pips out. And that was like first thing as well.
Slom Kazi. I'd like to see a bearish close on EU now. Pull back to a fair value gap and then we'll sell all the way down to the bottom. Goes to the 3 to 1 cheap.
Looks good.
EJ could be good for a midline.
EJ.
Yeah. Or ideally the high.
Interesting. Interesting.
We get to the high.
Can we get a close above and then the retest?
No, so I don't want to go long. I kind of want to go short.
Oh, I thought you said you wanted to go.
You got that break.
I thought you said you wanted to go long.
No, I just wanted to get an entry off the high.
Oh.
Because that's the 50 EMA is there's a support there. There's an inverse fair value gap there. This would be quite nice. I wonder if I'm going to get absolutely bummed. By you, Jay?
Nas doesn't want to close below that low right now.
No, it's a heavy support. That's pullback there. There's a fair value gap on the low and the midnight.
Yeah.
Under the EMA.
Yeah. And because that fair value gap is bearish, if it comes back and then pumps down,
yeah,
that's what we're still looking
at. Of an entry.
Sorry?
I'm going to look at an entry from the midline.
Yeah.
Go 2 to 1. Nice. Yeah, if that comes back, I'm going to that.
My entry is literally just below the midline.
Nice.
Yeah, this would be nice if it pulls back. Right now we're looking at, well, I'm looking at NAS and German. entries. Can't see anything else. Maybe gold.
See what happens.
Did it touch your midline entry?
What, UJ?
Yeah, did you go midline?
No, fair value gap.
Oh, bit higher up. No.
No, it was in a 1 minute.
Oh, right.
So I'm already in.
Yeah, yeah.
Literally at my entry now.
Yeah. I'm thinking about it.
Minus 60. Oh, no. Now I'm minus 94p. Look at that rejection. Oh. Gone from minus 60 quid to plus £6 in 30, no, not 30 seconds, 3 seconds. Love shit.
Madness.
Hopefully we get mad rejection now.
German's getting close to the midline entry. If UJ goes to the midline, I might enter.
GJ.
Sorry?
What, for a long?
Short.
On GJ?
UJ.
EJ.
UJ.
Oh, UJ.
Yeah.
Yeah. Be a better entry than what I've got.
Yeah, I'm looking at a 3-to-1 on this as well. Just want to see where this candle.
Start me out though. We are quite bullish.
True. These aren't aggressive looking candles though, just yet.
No, that's the thing. The volume's slowed really down. Like, this is what we love to see. The bullish pressure is wearing off.
Could we get a sell on AJ maybe? Short position.
Yeah, it's just a heavy support underneath though. That's my only thing. The low is literally sitting on a support.
Yeah.
I'd like to see a breakout on AU.
AU.
Like
Oh yeah.
That's the bottom.
What about AU? Haven't looked at that in a while.
We've been in such a downtrend. We're literally.
We keep testing this.
Yeah, it's nice. I got slotted out this morning.
I've been watching AU most of the morning, to be fair. It's just been flirting with the bottom of that support. It's not been like 2 consecutive candles closing below that for me, even on the 5 minute. We're getting alerts everywhere right now. UCAS. Hopefully, like to get into one today.
UJ is just slotting me.
Really? Is it reversed?
Well, I don't know. It's fucking negative 180s. It's just there's 4 ball candles. Oh, that's not good.
UCAD could be breaking a high right now. We've got 4 minutes left to close on this bullish candle. So we get a break above that line and then a retest. That midline could be a nice entry. Add an alert on that one. Let's go back to gold. What's gold saying? Coming back to midline on gold. Add an alert there. Did you upgrade your subscription?
Are you talking to me through your laptop? Because it's so laggy.
Yeah, I am.
I feel like I'm talking to a robot.
I'll jump on the phone.
On a mobile telephone device.
Yeah. On the walkie, on the wireless. That better? Cool. It knows you're not looking, that's why. Right now, I'm going to keep them on German 30 and see if we get a close inside the orb. Might look for a sell here. Did you know that you can get healthy sugar alternative? Did you know that you can get a healthy alternative to sugar and sweetener? No, it's called like xylitol, something like that. I didn't even know that existed. I've got it. I'm putting it in my kombucha. Yeah, it's just like you got. I'm just keeping my eye on. Yeah. Can we get a reaction? Nice. Good start. German 30's just had a reaction off the midline. I think going out for the fag worked. That's a massive flip around, fucking hell. Just looking at that. I'm going to set a little entry on UJ at that midline. Dax, did you say? Yeah, I don't have Dax. Oh, German 40, yeah. I didn't know it was. Lovely job. They tend to be. Sometimes you see it blow past the midline though, don't you? Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Right, set a sell limit for UJ. 2 entries. Germans reacted. Naz. Yeah. I wanted Naz to come back to the midline. I think I'm going to get involved with German 40 now. Got to be in it to win it, right? What's that for? Yeah, I'm going off the midline. I'm only just entering now. Yeah, I've seen it tap the midline, yeah. Come on, German. Waiting for UJ to tap me in as well. Gold. Just didn't. Ooh. Could be coming back. Could be. 9 minutes until close. 4 minutes.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, it's up to you. Have you had fun?
Yeah, it just taps me in. Damn. I'm in now. Yeah, it's gonna tap me out. That was aggressive. There was no need for that. It's about to. Ooh, look at that. That is as well. Come on, German. Tap me in. Let's see what gold's saying. See where we get a close on this 5-minute candle. I'm looking for a long position on gold, just above the midline. Yeah, I'm hoping we'll get this close on this 5-minute and then we'll get a flip. Because there's support there, no? Got absolutely annihilated by UJ there. Slut. That would be good if German would tap me in. Gold's not doing what I want it to do. That's fine. Naz wants to come back now. Naz wants to come back. Damn dog. Damn dog. Well, we just got tapped into German. Just going to keep an eye on German for a moment or two. Nice little reaction from German there. I'd like to see. From the Germans. That's nice. So we're in a trade, looking for Naz to come back to this midline of the orb. Hopefully we can get an entry there. See again, this is another example. When I saw this this bearish red candle, it never would have occurred to me in the past to not enter. I'm thinking in my mind, oh, we're coming right down to the entry, and my entry, which is the middle of the orb, and I would have just got in and got stopped out like that and lost however much. So I'm glad I didn't enter off of that. I'm going to delete that position now and then move on from that. There's some really good lessons I've taken this week without even actually entering the trades. And I'm seeing it play out, and it's like, it's one of the best feelings. As much as winning, it's like, I'm glad I didn't get into that. Oil could be doing something. German looking good. Let's have a look at oil now. Been bullish now this week since Monday. Now I want to see oil close above on this 15-minute marker, come back down to this midline of the orb and get an entry off of that. So we wait, we are patient. That would be another perfect example of using the orb strategy. So we'll see, we'll keep an eye on that. Naz is playing ball. Oh, excuse me. Should be yawning on the screen. Alexa, set a timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes. Starting now.
Well, that's cooking. We'll keep an eye on German. Look at this lovely reaction we got here in the last candle off the midline. Well, whilst it's doing that, you can watch me do my kombucha. You can see it on camera. I don't know if he wants to watch, but I'm going to make you watch anyway. This is what kombucha SCOBY looks like. Just like that, kombucha is ready to brew. Alexa, remind me in 10 days to check the kombucha.
What time the 29th of June should I remind you?
3:30 p.m.
Okay, I will remind you the 29th of June at 3:30 p.m.
You in any positions at the moment? Yo. You there, bro? Yo, you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Are you in any positions?
No. Not currently waiting for DA to come back.
Okay.
8 days of break. And you to come back.
Cool.
AJ Brook.
I'm going to go break even now on German. Yeah, that was perfect. Try and take this to a 2-1. Not a lot doing at the moment. Liking the look of oil though. That's a positive. We've got 3 minutes till close on this candle. What's that? Are you down today? Still got chances to enter though. If we get a break, Naz has decided to start dropping down again. So if we finally get a close below that support level, then we could see a slight retracement and then an entry off of that support level for a sell. You think? We're about to close on the 5th. Yeah, we're not getting past it, are we? No. Alexa, stop. I want to take some profits on German 30, but it hits a 2-1. Naz has been a little slut today. Just twerking for dollar bills. Yep. What a lot to go on right now. So earlier I was going to enter gold around here, around half 3, maybe a bit earlier than that, around 3ish, and then we got this push right down, and that was pretty much taking me out. And now we've come back to the midline, obviously. As soon as I cancelled the trade, or cancelled the position, well, I didn't set a position, but I set a long position on screen here to see whether I was going to get an entry. Like I said before, I probably would have entered and then got stopped out, but held my nerve, see that it's come back again. So I'm just curious to see what gold wants to do next. It's that warmer. Water's gone warm. Oil and gold. Ooh, hello, AUD alert. Okay, interesting. Right, let's paint the picture. This is a big bullish candle. I want it to close around there. That would be so nice. We've still got another 7 minutes. Let's keep an eye on the 5. We've got 2 minutes for that one to close. Come back to that in a moment. Keeping an eye on gold right now. I am looking for another entry, which would be nice. Close out the stream today, but I'm not going to enter unless I've got confirmation. Trust me, last week I'd be sat here probably in drawdown in 3 or 4 different positions. The fact that I've held my nerve today is saying a lot about the accountability for this. She's good, really good. Now we've got really bearish on gold again. So I probably would have got back in a few moments ago. But that's the old Dennis. I'm liking the look of where oil's going. We're coming back down. We could be getting ready for an entry on oil here. If we are, then that would be absolutely fantastic. Let's bring this over here. There we go. Yep, I'm gonna sack gold off today. Nas pushing back up. Let's go back to AUD. We're getting reaction. So where did we close on the last candle? We closed below, which is good, which is what I want to see. We've got a few minutes to go on AUD JPY, 15-minute time frame to close. Can we get another close below the middle of the orb there? Ooh, that's a big push. Don't like that. Yo. I'm just watching AUD JPY right now. I was looking at a sell. Yeah. Just want one more close in and around that area. 2 minutes. Naz could be coming back to the midline. Keeping an eye on oil. So you stay below that. Naz isn't playing ball. Sorry, are you? Yeah. Yeah. Oops. I could close out in profit. Just keeping an eye on this trade at the moment. German. Might keep the stream going for another 10 minutes. And just look at 1 or 2. Yeah, alright G. Catch you in a bit. So. Oil, can you just come down a little bit more for me, please? That'd be nice. Yeah, there we go. If I blow it, it might go down. I'd like to break even at least today. AUD JPY. I'm just going to sack that off as well. It's not done what I wanted it to do. And NAS and German. Sorry, NAS and oil look like two potential positions to get into. Mm. I'm getting into the territory of trying to force things here. I can feel it. Almost whipped into that as an entry on oil out of nowhere. My powers are waning, guys. My powers are waning and melting. I'll give it a few more minutes. Look at what gold's doing. Oil, not playing ball really. Naz not playing ball either. Just imagine that. See, I've been seeing this. We got wicked in at 75.3 and my entry point was 74.94. So 9 pips away from entry there. And look how it's shot off. So we were close. That's another one. Frustrating, but I'm glad it's it's going in the direction that I want it to when I do go to place a trade. That's the main thing. I'm coming down a bit more now on German 30, which is good. We'll just go back through again one more time for the moment. What does gold want to do? All of a sudden now we're getting a reaction. Right, keep an eye on gold. We're just moving around at the moment. Moving around. Could go break even today, which would be quite nice at least. Bad first day of streaming. If we can see here, total profit, we're minus 75 for the day. But yeah, if we can get break even in such a bad day. Naz has just been a little tart since since the open. We've just dicked around in this area. There's just not any volume. I might keep one more eye on gold for the moment. I'm just bouncing around at the moment, looking for one more. We're not pushing it. I'm chilled, but very soon I might have to call it a day and then manage my German 30 trade through the rest of the afternoon. Is GU giving me something here? Maybe. Trust things to start happening now, right? You want me to stay on? I'll stay on. Might be a change of plan, depending on what happens with a few pairs. Ooh, what has happened there? Weird. Oil nearly touched again. Do you know what? I'm gonna set a limit for oil because if it keeps coming back randomly like that, then we might get in on oil. Got to be brave sometimes. I'm not doing this as being desperate. If I don't get tapped in, I don't get tapped in. It's not the end of the world. But I could set a pending limit. See how we do. Is it oil? Oh. I'm going to set an alert on AUD USD and then come back and look at this. Bite the bullet on USD CAD. So AUD USD midline, go short, and then I'll come back and place the trade. But yeah, I'm going to have to switch off soon. It's just can't be sat here for too long. It's not healthy. I'll put a little 3-to-1, I think. That looks good. Okay, so we've got an alert on AUD USD, and it's looking like a potential comeback to entry point for a sell. We'll just zoom out quick. Yeah, we've been coming down for quite some time, last day or two, so I'm confident on that. We're below the EMA as well. Oil's had its chance. In 2 more minutes, it could come down a bit more. That would be nice. Gold. Oof, I just don't know about gold. Yeah, stay clear, stay clear. NAS, yeah, not a million miles away, but we're struggling to get up there. But I've got another alert on NAS. I'll set a short position just in case. Could be a nice little entry. Yeah, I've got two short positions on NAS 100, AUD, USD as well. So we'll see what they want to do. We're not a million miles away from an entry this afternoon on those. Oil, I set a limit. I just don't know what oil wants to do. I'll just wait for this 5-minute candle to close and then we'll make a decision. If we get a nice big push down here, we could be in. German. Ooh, we're getting some reaction on German. I'd like to take a partial at 2-1. We might just get there. There we go. Come on, push down a bit more. Okay. So I want to close a little bit of profit on German. Finally, making some nice. Well, actually, might go full TP here. We might go full TP. Let's move some stop loss into a bit more profit. Let's make at least. Let's go 30 squids on. No, let's go 50 as a stop loss. I'll still be in minus for the day, but I'd still be happy with that, especially where we're at now with it. So if we do come back, it is what it is. So, just when I wanted to get off. Just looking to see where my 3-1 was. Go back there. Not far at all, guys. Well, let's just manage this one. We're $20 away from take profit. Let's have patience. Yeah, oil's not really doing much. I'm going to delete my pending order on oil just in case. I'm just not liking what it's doing right now. I didn't put a pending order on oil for some reason. I thought I did. Maybe I got sidetracked. Well, at least we're not in. Look at that drop. There we go. We're coming in for the TP. You can't make this shit up. Come on. Give me my money. Come on, we've gone past it now. Let's stop floating, alright? There we go. Live on stream. There we go. So we are up $81 for the day. What we want to see. Just need to stop taking these big L's when I don't need to. I mean, if I'd not entered on USD JPY, would have been up $60 more, so that would have been $140 odd. But it's fine. I need to be happy with my profits. Got a nice win on stream there. We're going to start turning this account around, guys. I'm going to start turning this around. Really happy with that one. Really happy with that. I'm going to go and tell my wife. Couldn't have asked for more on that. I'm going to send that to the group. Okay. Just have one last look at oil. NAS. Yeah, the only one I'm partially looking at to get one more entry in today is AUD USD. I haven't set a limit on it, so I'm just watching it. I'm going to keep the laptop running. But yeah, that's me done for the day. So we're closing out. So I actually had a German sell this morning. I said I'd update you all this afternoon, and I got stopped out of break even. So that wasn't too bad. The 3 L's I took today. No, sorry, today itself from, yeah, you know, I've won 2 today, well, technically won 2, got taken out of break even. I lost 2, but we're up for the day. That's the most important thing. If you can get this close to 1% a day, we'll be back in profit in no time. But let's not rush it. I've got my alert set for AUD, USD if we decide to come back up. Nothing doing on the others. I'm just going to set an alert for the midline of gold. Actually, no, we're at yeah, we run out. Let's have a look at oil. Let's leave oil alone. Keep it in the ground. NAS, yeah, we're not getting what we're wanting on NAS, that's fine. But I'm just going to keep an alert for gold if it decides to come back to the midline. See what it does, so however long that takes. But that's me done, guys. Really happy with the day. I've made $81 profit for the day. We've only done 4 trades in total today. Just goes to show we're learning every day. It's every day's a school day. I'm really enjoying this journey, and I'm really hoping more people will join along eventually and cheer me on. But yeah. Just messing around with the screen here. Well, that's me done, guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate people joining in and watching along. And we will see you guys most likely tomorrow morning.